Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. Canva provides many free tools to edit your images directly inside the platform. In this video, I will show you how to use photo editing tools in Canva. Let's start. In Canva Design. Now select on Image and click on Edit. Click Adjust. You can adjust brightness, contrast, highlights, shadow, and saturation to improve image quality. Go to Share on top. Download PNG file. Click on Add Page. Up, OAD image. Click on First Page. You can also apply filters for quick color changes and stylish looks. Download the filtering photo. Another useful feature is blur, which helps you focus on the main subject and reduce distractions. Click on See All. Choose Blur. Increase brush size. Click on Brush and draw an image. Increase intensity. This is Blur image. Thanks for watching.